Birds have evolved remarkable adaptations to stabilize their heads during flight. One key feature is their highly specialized neck anatomy. Unlike humans, birds have a large number of cervical vertebrae, allowing for greater flexibility and precision. They use intricate muscle control to maintain a stable head position. Additionally, birds rely on sensory information from their visual and vestibular systems. Their eyes are adept at tracking objects and making rapid adjustments. The vestibular system, located in the inner ear, provides crucial feedback about balance and orientation. Together, these systems enable birds to maintain a steady gaze even while executing complex maneuvers in flight, such as hunting or avoiding obstacles.